going to gym, wasting some time. How about you make some muscle suit onto it? Maybe, I don't know, but yeah, making a muscle suit. Let's go. Hi guys, my name is King Rushdie from Malaysia, that is, you guys know, Kura Maker. So today I'm going to show you how I make my beautiful muscle suit. And remember, this is how I make, not others make. This is what I show you how I make doesn't mean it must be followed or anything. This is just a theory that I came up with, and thank you so much that my friend from Indonesia, Michael Agus and Vemi Yang, coming through in Malaysia to teach me this beautiful prop making and stuff. But other prop makers have their own style of prop making in the process in making the muscle suit itself. So it's kind of different. So this is how I make it. If you guys have any suggestion, any improvement that I need to improve in my prop making muscle suit, or that I needed to do in the future, please comment it below. If you guys think this tutorial video helpful for you guys, please comment it below too, and I would be so honored that you guys share this video and of course subscribe. And now, before I started this thing, I wanted to explain this is the first one that I ever made in using a silicone, and then I tried to upgrade it using a lycra wrapping and stuff, and then I tried to color it with silicone color. But before I explain these three things, let's start the video. I try to compact it as much as I can because I want to talk more about muscle suit. I really love them. But yeah, let's continue to the video. So let's go. So now we trace the template on the medium sponge density, and of course following the muscle anatomy that you can search it at Google, of course. And after that, cut it through, and you must sculpt it and bevels to follow the muscle anatomy itself. And you must have some friends that will be helping you throughout this process, because it's really annoying. And thank you so much to my friends, Kurameki Familia, that is so helping me throughout this process. And of course, after you done all the things, you must have the several tools that you can get at your convention store and make it more perfect. And after that, continue with the lycra base shirt, and of course you can glue it at the muscle that you crafted just now and just put it onto your cosplay body. This is optional though, you can use mannequin for it, but I want to make it more accurate, so that's why I put to the cosplayer body. And it's kind of hurt somehow, and Daos is screaming eternally, and yes, you see his face. And yeah, we have the safety reasons inside the shirt and stuff, using a plastic, so it's safe. And continue. As you can see, the bevels, I cut it through to make it more perfect. And thank you that my friend from Indonesia, this is my friend, beloved friend, see this.
Oh, juga gini caranya. Seperti ini. Jadi kita sekarang menguras mentega. Nanti kita goreng.
Dikit aja, nanti juga
Dimel, dilem.
Jangan digam.
Yeah. Yeah, that is my beloved friend. So as you can see, the left side is not sculpted yet. The right side is sculpted. As you can see, it's beautiful and it's so perfect that you wanted to feel it. But overall, this is the muscle anatomy that I wanted to make for the World Cosplay Summit. But as the concept idea, that is glue it at the base of the lycra spandex that you make. And of course, please remember to sew your zip at the back, because if you don't sew your zippers, it will never ever going to, like, not going to wear it. Of course, you can use a velcro onto it, it's your choice, but this is what I choose for my muscle suit. And after that, you will be following as the wrapping process that use lycra spandex skin color. I'm sorry for the ass, but yeah, we continue. And this wrapping process have 3 parts, that is left arm, right arm, body, front and back. It's impossible to wrap it up in one go, and it will be something like this, as beautiful like this. Yeah, so it's somehow, if you use only lycra skin color, it will be something like this. If you really like it, and this is the final result, but I don't like this kind of texture. I want it to be more specific skin color, like my skin color. And I will continue with the coloring process after this. So after you put it on, it's somehow hard to get it off from the body of the cosplayer, but we managed to it because we have our friends, mighty friends. So we continue with the coloring process. As you can see, we mix silicone and acrylic color, and then we smear it all out. We coated it around 7 or 6 layer of coated silicone color. I'm sorry. And then voila, it's beautiful as always. This is what I want. And of course, it is somehow really nice for the first time I make for World Cosplay Summit muscle suit. But overall, this is how I make the muscles. If you have any question, please comment it below and I try to answer it. So yeah, this muscle suit, the first one, is apparently my third time making it. My first time is making a muscle suit. My third time in this eventually is apparently use a silicone tube and try to smear it up all over the place, and it's kind of shitty. Maybe you guys have any idea onto it, wanted to apply it and maybe a monster costume and stuff, maybe, I don't know. So this is my friend Nash make it. As you can see, it's make the sponge and stuff and wrap it with lycra spandex skin color tone, and yeah, it's being something like that. Next is this is my World Cosplay Summit representative Malaysia that I use. It's kind of good, I think. I don't know, but it's good. Can represent Malaysia, it means it's good. So this is the final part that I have reached in the muscle suit process, that is coloring skin. Following our skin tone is really fucking hard, but it's okay, it's experience, so it's kind of really good in the muscle suit. And the most important thing is the proportion of the muscle suit itself, so it's kind of good. And it's the same process between these 3, but it's upgrading, like the video that you guys see, that is the same thing that I do on this third muscle suit. So yeah, I hope you guys have some knowledge onto it. I hope you guys apply it in your cosplay, and please, if you consider this video so helpful, please subscribe to my channel. It will be honored so much you guys subscribe to my channel, and of course share this to your friends and family, because of this muscle suit is so awesome. So please be sure to subscribe and like Kuramaker page at Facebook. See you guys then. Maybe you guys have any suggestion on next tutorial, please comment it below. I really need it because it is like I'm a beginner making this tutorial video. And as always, bye bye, see you guys later again.